YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Patrick. Today I just picked up a product, kind of a networking solution, but before that I tried to do some research online about it, and there's really not too much about it, so I figured I'd make a quick video. This is a product from IOgear, networking product. It is their wireless 4-port USB sharing station. So if you don't have a NAS or you have a pretty basic printer like I do that doesn't have network connections, this 4-port hub, anything you plug into it, can be shared on your local network. So on the front it talks about wireless connectivity, wirelessly access USB devices from anywhere at home or in the office, share USB devices, share a printer, external hard drive, MP3 player, and more. Easy backup, wirelessly backup and access data from USB storage devices. It is an older product. 2008 is when this came out, and that's the very few videos that I found about it were about that old. So it's 2015 now. It's definitely still available. You can find them anywhere. They retail for $100, but if you shop around on Amazon, Newegg, Tiger Direct, they range from $50 to $70. On the back here, it explains how it all works. It's pretty simple. You just plug anything into the USB ports here, connect it to your network, and it can broadcast it wirelessly, but it doesn't need to. If you just want to look at things, just attach things to your network that don't have built-in network ports or other things like that, this will bridge the gap. Talks about package contents on the other side, and system requirements. It actually has system requirements. This is that old. It requires a CPU of 1.7 gigahertz and above, 512 megabyte of RAM, Windows 2000, XP, Vista, or 7. Small note, it is not compatible with OS X 1010 and above, and it is not compatible with Windows 8 and above. I still haven't made the switch on my main battle station to Windows 8. I have heard that there have been a few workarounds, but I did see some complaints on some older forums that this did not work with those operating systems. I'll obviously test that myself, though. It says Mac OS X 10.6 and up, and then available wireless router in your home or office network. It comes with a 3-year warranty. Designed in California, made somewhere, probably not in the United States. So when you open the box, that's what you get. This is the piece itself, but we'll go over that in a second. Else in the box, they include a network cable, kind of nice, an installation guide, and this is very colorful, and it is 49 pages, so hopefully it's not that difficult to set up. Next, it says stop, read me first. It talks about some 1-800 numbers you can call if you're having issues. It does come with a CD. I assume it's just a driver CD. It says software, CD, and user manual. And then in here, I assume this is the power brick. Oh, that is a ugly looking power brick. So that's it. 2-prong, no ground. Very, very basic. A couple millimeter barrel. Pretty standard stuff. Output is 12 volt, 1.5 amp. That's about it. It's pretty standard. Input is 0.7 amps, 40 volts. So pretty generic. A little bit clunky on the size of the thing, but at least it's sideways ported, so you can plug it in without having to take up like 8 ports on your extension cord. So let's get down to the good stuff. Unbox this. Sleek little design, not too bad. You've got some status lights up here on the front. It's awfully reflective. One is for power, WLAN, LAN, USB 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for what devices are connected, its network status, and if it's on or not. And then the actual LEDs or lights, maybe. I don't know if they're LEDs or on the front. You've got one USB port on the front. Around the back, you've got a little Wi-Fi antenna. And then 3 more USB ports. Not sure why they don't put all 4 on the back, but not complaining. This is 10100 internet. This is this little button next to it. It says INIT. I assume that means to initialize it. And then we have power and a toggle on-off switch. So pretty basic. I mean, it's not obviously not the most complex networking product. I'm surprised there's not more solutions like this. There are USB print servers and NAS adapters that you can buy, but something like this where you can plug in, various different devices. Pretty surprised that a device like that doesn't exist. So I'll hook it up. I'll let you know my successes with it. The reviews online vary quite a bit. Just a little bit of heat vents out there. I assume this thing generates a little bit of heat. No fan, obviously. The reviews online are very mixed. The people that give it bad reviews don't have that networking knowledge to use it to its maximum potential, or they use it for a reason that it's not intended. The good reviews are people that understand its networking capabilities and use it appropriately. And then there are obviously a couple outliers in there that, this thing died, 3 months after I bought it. Or, some fluke where it was, a manufacturing default. So that is the IOgear 4-port USB sharing station. As usual, like the video if you like it. Dislike it if you dislike it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below. Not the most complex product. I'll try to follow up with some comments below as to how it's working for me. So I'm going to go set this up right now, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.